Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be doing our debt binder. This is our scratch and save. Basically, it's also a roll and save. We have a little bit of everything going on here. So I have $100 today. Okay, so I have 21s and then the rest is in 20. So it might be a little hard to like get the right change, but we're gonna do our best. So last time we left off, we stopped before we could finish Craft Co budgets. So we're gonna continue with that. So let me get my little scratcher. There it is. All right. So we have 4, 4, that's 8. And this one is 3. So that is 8, 11. So we finished this challenge, y'all, which is exciting. This is by Danny at Craft Co Budgets. So we're going to set that aside. I hope y'all are having a great Wednesday today. The middle of the week. Hopefully I get this posted in time. All right, next we have some of my challenges here. So we're gonna roll and see which challenge we're gonna be doing today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is one of my judgy cats challenge. Let's roll and see which one we're scratching. 3. 1, 2, 3. It's a save 30, so it shouldn't be too bad. And my favorite thing about this one is that it has little drops of blood underneath the stickers. So funny. It's so funny to me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Let's move right along. All right, next we have these new challenges that I was sent by Wild Everest. So let's roll. 1. Okay, that's 2. Nice, nice. We're just gonna roll 1 for now. Then we have this one by April's Fresh Start. We have been working on this for forever. So let's see, we need 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 16. All right, so we can do 16 in this and we can finish this up. I hope that I counted that correctly. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yay. All right, and we finished this on 4/22 with 16, but we really had more because we didn't start it. I mean, we cleared it out at the end of last month. So that's another finished challenge. Yay, so exciting. Next we have Glory's Budget. And we have this little unicorn saving challenge here. This is a roll and save. We have $3 here already saved. So let's see what we're gonna be saving. A 2, a 1, and a 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, that is $7. So that's $10 right there. And that is by Glory's Budget. We have one more to finish that one off, so that'll be great. Okay, y'all, I am really struggling to find change. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add $20 to this one. So we can do, that's 10. 4, 5, 6, and another 10. Okay, that is 20. I know it's crazy. Usually I have enough to make change, so I was like not worried about just going to the bank and getting a bunch of 20s. but I guess I am low on change today. So anyways, next we have Restoration by Autumn. This is her Before Coffee and basically a cautionary tale, and currently has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's see if we can get 9. And then we can put a 20 in here. Okay, so that's 2. Oh, y'all. Everything is falling today. Everything is chaos. Oh my goodness. All right. 1. Okay, so 6, 7, 8. Oh, okay, so 10, 11, 12. So we have $12 going in here. 12. Okay, let me see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If I have 11 and I add 12, 11 plus 12 is 23. So I need to sub all of this out for a 20. Guys, I know, my brain, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, there you go. That worked. Now, we can tuck that back in there and we can move on to Norelli's budgets. We have a couple of scratch offs here that we've been working on with Norelli's, and we have 5, 6, 7. So if we can get 13, then we can sub all of that out for a 20. Okay, that is, what is that? A 6. So we need a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, okay. So 6 plus 8. So we're going to leave a 1 in here, and we'll put this 20 in here. 21. Right? 10. Yes, 21. Hey, see? I can do math sometimes. I can do it sometimes. All right, that was Norelli's. Now we have Angela Marie's group play, and we're going to, let's see, 3, 4. Let's do, what do we have in here? A 1. Let's do 4 of these. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll take this and we'll just grab this 5, stick it right in there. All right, so all of these challenges, y'all, will be listed down below. The channels will be linked down below. All right, let's see. We've been working on this one, so we're going to do rugby. I'm going to look into rugby and bunny chow. That sounds interesting. And biltong. I'm not sure what that is. That looks like some kind of steak. So I'm going to look these up. I'll put little screenshots of what I find. I mean, obviously I know what rugby is. Don't know what these two are, so that'll be fun. To look up. So this is Joe from Liam's mom. Joe at Liam's mom 247, sorry. And she sent me these as little freebies. So thank you. I'm excited to look up what those are. Okay, now I know we cannot do this one because we do not have enough funds for that, because that's Little Miss Crazy with the numbers. All right, but we can do some Vicky Thinks. So how much money do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Man, I think we're going to cheat. And we're going to do 8, 3. And I'm going to grab $1 from my gas money that's sitting over here on my desk. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like I said, this challenge is from Vicky Thinks. This was when she hit her 400 subscribers mark. That was forever ago. She's now like at 1,000, going strong. So we have that one and one more makes 8. So we finished this one. Yay. On 422, we can add that to our finished challenges pile, and we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we finished that with $18 this month. We did clear it out at the end of last month. But yeah, I guess we saved about half last month, or since we started this one. All right, so that one is another finished challenge, and we'll keep working with Vicky Thinks. She sent me this little freebie, so I want to do that one. And next time we will start right here with What's Poppin' Sunshine, and hopefully we'll get some more challenges completed. Did y'all see my nail popped off in the middle of the video? All right. Anyways, that is it for this video, guys. I'm sorry it was a little bit chaotic. I felt like I just did not plan very well with going to the bank and all that. So please excuse the chaos. But I hope y'all have a great rest of your day and a good week, and I'll see you Friday for Festive Friday. All right, bye guys.